Hey everybody, it's Jake Mace, the vegan athlete, here with my friend John Kohler.
OKRaw.com, raw plant-based vegan now since 1995, 21 years.
That's amazing, and I knew that if I was going to open up a box full of fruit, I would have to have John come here for part 2 of this video to sample the fruit.
I made a special trip just to eat some of Jake's fruit and some of the fruit he got shipped in today.
So if you guys like when I have guests like John, John is a wealth of knowledge, super enthusiastic about gardening and eating raw foods, and his popularity is second to none on YouTube. He has hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of followers on YouTube, tens of millions of views, and I've learned a ton of my gardening knowledge from John back in the day until the present day, so thanks for all your videos.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So I hope you guys go to Miami Fruit Company on Facebook. When you guys order for them, tell them that you saw Jake Mace, the vegan athlete, or John Kohler with Growing Your Greens. When I find companies who I love, especially in the food world, I want them to stay in business. So the reason why I tell you guys to go to that guy, because I want you guys to support him so he keeps in business, because I love the fruit.
Yeah, no, I mean, I completely agree. We want to support businesses that we want to see thrive. We don't want to support businesses like, you know, big box stores and Walmart and buy your fruit there. We want to support small local farmers that, you know, Miami Fruit gets their fruit from. And I mean, actually I made a video on my channel, OKRaw.com, where I actually went out with Rain of Miami Fruit to show you guys where he harvests his fruit. And I went to some of the very farms and show you guys his packing place. I interview him at the end. So yeah, I mean, I know that dude's top rate, get some good stuff. Just make sure when you get your stuff shipped out to you, you know, ask him if it's organic or not. He could get both, because I know eating organic is important to some of you guys. More important for Jake is just getting the fruit out to different people.
And this one is a bigger box than we normally get, and I know John is much more versed in the varieties than me, so you're gonna have to help me out. So John, what do we have right here?
Oh man, this is like a large passion fruit.
Passion fruit. That's crazy.
It's really good, yeah.
Let's open that right now.
Nice and soft.
I gotta see what this looks like right here. It's really soft. My knife is just gonna it's way softer than mine. Mine are harder on the outside, but this one's like a yellow variety too.
Yeah, we save some seeds, man, and plant them.
Let's plant it. So here's the dramatic reveal.
Ah, nice gooey sap.
Okay, I split. You pick.
Here, man, we'll pour you some in there, man. Cool. I don't want all of it.
So you just ate a bunch of my passion fruits. Tell me how this compares. Close.
Yours are better.
Ooh. You ever take this membrane out and eat that as well?
Actually, that's quite good to eat because it's like rich in it's like the pith in oranges, man. Really rich in nutrition.
Nice.
Nice mild flavor.
And passion fruit just makes you feel like you're in the Caribbean.
Yeah, I mean, let's see, juice some pineapples with the passion fruit, or like even better, like sugar cane juice with passion fruit, the best.
Totally. And then this one looks like another passion fruit that's a different color.
Yep.
Because it's my favorite fruit in the world. And this one's a smaller one. The other ones were bigger, but it's still amazing. And what is that?
Mamey sapote!
That's right.
So this stuff tastes like pumpkin pie in a fruit. Could go a couple more days. We could open it now. It's not quite ready, really.
And what is this one?
This is some kind of like Atamoya. Yep. I don't know if it's not a chirimoya, but it's some kind of maybe sugar apple Atamoya variety. Lots of little bananas mixed in there.
A lot of the fruit that you get is ripe now, and some you gotta wait a couple days.
That's good. You don't want it all ripe because it's gonna mush in the box in the shipping.
That's pretty good banana.
And of course, you could take some of the seeds inside the fruit and plant them in your garden to grow some of these fruits too.
Oh, I do that, totally. More bananas.
This is a good banana.
It's really good.
I'd rather eat this banana than any cheap banana from the store, and I'd pay 4 times more money to eat this one because it's like way better tasting.
Those ones look amazing. So also we're gonna show you guys how much fruit they can pack in this one box here. And then I, of course, like you do, you reuse these newspapers for what?
I shred them up in my compost.
Ooh, I did my favorite thing. He told me he's gonna include some because I love this so much.
Canistelle or egg fruit. Exactly. Oh man, it's pretty ripe, man. This is riper than the...
Here, why don't you cut that one open?
Mamey sapote.
Show them what it looks like on the inside.
All right, I got a knife. Jake gave me one knife. Okay, watch out, Jake. No, all right.
This one's ready, by the way.
Oh yeah. All right, here's the reveal. Look at this. Look at that deep, rich color, man. Oh my God. Ripe Canistelle.
That's amazing.
Here in Arizona.
And then the texture is what? Kind of like a potato almost, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like a potato. What else would you call it? It's like...
almost like a custard.
Yeah, it's like a custard, but it's like a little bit more dense. It's kind of like... I mean, it's kind of like a hard-boiled egg.
That's like one of the best things I've ever had.
I gotta taste this, man.
Amazing.
Right here.
Oh, it's amazing. It's in the Sapote family, right?
Mm-hmm. Mmm. That's amazing.
So good.
Let's see what else is in the box, Jake. I'm super hungry.
Let's save that one for later.
Oh!
Oh, God. Okay, I want to see, because I know how I open it, I want to see how John Kohler opens it up.
I mean, there's different ways depending if I'm gonna save it or if I'm gonna eat it all. If I'm gonna save it, then I'm cutting it this direction because then I'll pluck out the end and just put the whole other half in the fridge, right?
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna
Otherwise, I'm gonna hit it this ways, rip it open so we could access it better.
Ow! God dang it. No, I'm just kidding.
Shit, man.
Got him.
All right, man, we got a yellow one here. So let's see, I'm gonna cut out this middle part here. Oh man, it's nice and latexy, so that's a sign that generally when it's latex, it still could be good, but it's a sign that it may not be as ripe as it should be.
Oh, really?
So you guys cook up stuff though, but this might be a good jackfruit to like make jackfruit like meat substitute.
Yeah, because like a jackfruit pulled pork or a
right,
jackfruit
exactly.
burger.
Yeah, so that's why you would use, so look at this.
That's amazing right there. You just turned that fruit inside out.
I'm gonna turn you inside out in a second now.
And then can you break off one of these little sections?
Yeah, break off one of the pod sections.
And then this tastes just like juicy fruit gum, right?
Well, it should if it's ripe. And jackfruits, like if you pick them, they don't really they can't sit for 2 weeks and really ripen up and get sweeter.
How come the fruits that look the most dangerous are the most delicious?
This is, I mean, this is only dangerous because they could get up to 100 pounds and if they drop on you, it's really bad. This is not like a durian that are really spiky and like way more dangerous because they're way more, this is just dangerous because they're heavy.
But for the most part, jackfruit's bigger than durian.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Jackfruits could be 100 pounds or more.
The reason why John's in my video today is because he's on his way through Phoenix, on his way back home. So I'm really thankful he came in for this video to eat this fruit.
Yeah, I'm glad. Thanks, Jake.
So I'm gonna save the rest of it for later to let these guys ripen up, and I'll show you guys as I eat it how it tastes. And I want to encourage you guys to get to Miami Fruit Company if you want some exotic types of fruits that are delicious and will improve your health. Check out John's OK Raw YouTube channel because it's a wealth of knowledge about eating healthy in today's world. And also his Growing Your Greens channel is pretty good. And his other channel on juicers is really good, which is called
Raw Foods.
Raw Foods channel. Thanks for watching my Vegan Athlete channel, and join me on Facebook at the Urban Gardening in Arizona Facebook group. Go vegan, grow your food at home. Say hello to my friend John in the comments, and I'll see you guys back here for our next video. Ooh.